ZAPTEST Multi-Run enables parallel execution of the same test on multiple workstations and mobile devices. Using mRun, test automation teams expedite regression testing by including devices for all required environments or AUT configurations. For example, cross-browser or cross-platform test execution. ZAPTEST supports different ways to connect to devices used for testing. They can be local mobile devices plugged in directly to the ZAPTEST hosting computer via USB cable. Or they can be mobile or conventional devices accessed through ZapFarm Private Cloud. Or they can be remote devices where connectivity information is stored in the form of a configuration file. mRun provides the ability to manually control devices and to execute tests against individual devices, which can be useful for debugging. But its main purpose is to run tests on all connected devices in parallel. The mRun dashboard makes it very convenient to monitor progress of the test on all devices simultaneously. The dashboard visual indicator assigns a distinct color for each device, and scripting area uses the colors at runtime to highlight the executed steps on respective devices. If there is a need to get a better view of any particular device, the user can navigate to the Devices tab, where the user can pause or stop test execution at any time. Multi-Run Execution Test Results conveniently presents the status for each device, and the expandable report section shows details and images for all steps. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at www.zaptest.com.